Hello everybody. Today I'm here at Ryan International School Kandivali to meet someone really special. Someone who has made his parents, his alma maters and all of us proud. I'm talking about Kartik Nair, who has scored All India 7th rank in JEE Advanced exam. Without any further ado, let's meet him.
We pray on behalf of all of us at Ryan's. We pray, Kartik, that the Lord would give you wisdom and understanding. Hereon, that every step you take towards the making of a career that becomes your destiny, you will fulfill the purpose of your calling. And you will contribute not just to this nation, but make this world a better place. Because you guys are the change that we are waiting. Like we talk about change and we want to see the future being better and brighter. You are the makers of that future.
Congratulations, Kartik. What were your challenging moments you faced while preparing for JEE Advanced?
For me, my biggest challenge was to maintain my focus towards my preparation, and especially in this year we had the pandemic, and oftentimes we had no clue about when our exams would be, what would college life be like if it is happening. And so it was a time when we could get very lost in our preparation and possibly lose all the good things we did in the past 2 years. So for me, overcoming that feeling was the biggest challenge, and I was able to do that successfully.
Who has been your inspiration?
Well, I don't have such big inspirations. I would say everyone in your life you can take inspiration from. I can take inspiration from my parents for some of their traits. I have also taken inspiration from my teachers who have supported me, and especially some of my peers. I've often noticed how much more hardworking they seem to be than me, and that has been a great motivator to push myself harder.
What have been the most treasured moment about school?
Well, I was a council member at school, so all the backstage preparations for activities and events was really treasured. Other than that, it was all the moments we got with our friends, either going for competitions or just mundane things that are really treasured. And then how can I not mention the camp?
What would be a message to every young Ryanite around the country?
To be serious in your goal. You should not pursue something because someone else told you, because your mind won't be in it. So what you must do is firstly be serious about your goal, and then things will fall in place by themselves. Then you just need to work hard and not be flustered by your own shortcomings. Rather, you should always try to match what you think is the best, what you see in others.
What are your future plans?
Well, for now, I will be doing computer science and engineering from IIT Bombay, hopefully. And after that, I might get into research or do my master's first.
In this youth celebration, how can we not include Kartik's proud parents? How are you feeling, ma'am, on your son's huge achievement?
Well, I'm feeling super happy, and we are very grateful and very thankful to the management of Ryan International, because Kartik has been with Ryan since kindergarten. So we are feeling very thankful and grateful.
Ma'am, how are you feeling on this great achievement of Kartik Nair?
Extremely elated, excited, humbled that we have had the privilege of being a part of Kartik's life. He is a Ryanite through and through, right from kindergarten up till his 12th standard. And for him to crack this exam, coming 7th All India and first in Maharashtra, is a big achievement at such a young age. I believe JEE is one of the toughest exams in the world, even tougher than Harvard and other UK top league universities entrance exams, and he has cracked the JEE at this young age. So yes, we have every reason to be extremely excited and of course humbled that we had a role to play, a small role, but we did in his life. And we are very grateful for his parents, Sindhu and Mr. Sindhu and Mr. Shukumar. So I'm very, very grateful for their support, their trust in us, just being able to have that trust meant a lot for us. And to see him today just culminating all of the learnings, the sincerity that he has picked up, the efforts. Like he seems to be more self-driven. He may be slightly shy at first, but he is a strong, resilient, self-driven Karthik Nair. I don't want to say individual because he's a part of a bigger picture. So yeah, it is extremely exciting to be here at this time, just to felicitate him.
It was so wonderful to meet Master Karthik and be a part of the celebration of his great achievement today. Truly, he is an inspiration to all of us. For all those who aspire to follow in his footsteps, buckle down and follow his advice. Nothing is impossible. On that note, this is Vaijemraga from RAN International School, Kandivali, signing off for Young Journos.